Today I will teach you how to draw lemons. Grab your pencil and follow along. Draw a horizontal line in the middle of the paper. Draw a semicircle underneath it. Draw another line above the semicircle. Make wavy lines like so above that. Draw a small semicircle and make outward lines that connect with the edges like so. Draw the seeds and add texture using small lines. Add a curvy shape above the slice of lemon. Add small dots for the skin of the lemon. Make a big leaf on the left side. Add another leaf right next to it. Finally, add color to your drawing. For more Drawing Factory tutorials, like and subscribe.